Hi, my name is Pedro Moreira da Silva, and I'm the staff product designer working in the source code group of the GitLab product. The source code group is the product area of GitLab that is concerned with source code management and code review. Today, I'm going to show you two issues or tasks that I'm excited to work on for the 13.4 version of GitLab. And those two are pertaining to a specific initiative called Improve Merge Request Reviewer Assignment. So let me explain exactly what that means. As an example, let's look at this merge request where today we don't have a specific way to say who is a reviewer of this merge request. So today what people are doing is kind of overloading and using the assignee field to not only indicate who is the author and actively working on the changes of the merge request, but also who is reviewing the merge request. And as you can see here, we have Tori, me, and Hayana, and you can't necessarily tell just by looking at this control here who is the author, who are the reviewers. You could, of course, implicitly know that by looking at who is the author of the merge request, which is in this case, it's me. So maybe I'm the author and Tori and Hayana are reviewers, but yeah, you're not really sure, and that's not immediately apparent just by looking at this overview of the merge request. So what we're doing now is the smallest and most boring solution we found was to replicate the existing behavior of assignees that people are so used to in many different tools, not only in GitLab, and use it to have a new section called reviewers, which will behave and look like exactly the assignee fields. So you can add and remove multiple reviewers, and they will have their specific location in the UI just below the assignee section. And this will provide not only a way for you to quickly understand who is who in the merge request, but also for the first time, it will provide a dedicated way and a first-class way for people to request reviews from. And this is something that we've noticed recently in user research, is that most users request reviews in the way that is most intuitive for them. Some of them assign the merge request to the reviewer. Others mention the reviewer in a comment and ask them to review. And other users even go as far as creating approval rules in the hopes of that those people that they add as approvers will be pinged and will receive a notification and will review their merge requests. So for the first time, I think this will provide a good way for people to intuitively select reviewers. And as you can see here, we will, in these two screenshots, we will add a control to the sidebar exactly like the current assignee field to select reviewers. And once you select them, they will receive an email notification and also a to-do. And we will also add a same field to the reviewers, to the merge request form. So we already have the assignee field, and what we're doing here is basically duplicating this field with, again, the same functionality and the same look, so that people can then select the reviewers before they create a merge request. And we feel like all of these things will contribute to a better review flow, and hopefully people will spend less time in merge request reviewing and more time contributing changes. So this is just one of the first steps that we're taking in this direction. Stay tuned for more features building and improvements building on top of reviewers. You can find links to the issues that I'm sharing with you today in the video description, and also a link to the epic where you will find more issues that we're planning to work on in the future. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon.